Hey, what's up everybody? It's Landan with LMR.com. It's that time of the week again. It's Dyno Day. It's no doubt about it, our favorite day of the week. And before we get rolling and talking about what we're doing today, drop us a comment below and let us know what you'd like to see us dyno. We've got a pretty good list going so far, so keep those comments coming. And like I've said, we'll do our best to acquire those vehicles and meet those requests. Car we have on the dyno today, this is our 1985 black Mustang GT. We've had this car at the time of this video 2.5 years, and we've done a few things to it. We've painted the car, it's had some restoration work, some engine bay tidy up overall, maintenance type things, but no doubt about it, you know, there's still some work to do on the car like several of our other cars here in the shop, but some progression is good progression. So this particular car here, the only modifications it has, and of course it is relative to the dyno, aftermarket mid-pipe and an aftermarket catback. It does have a set of 410 rear gears. This is a 5-speed car, and in 1985, at the flywheel, these were rated at 210 horsepower. Well, I'll take that back. I've seen that two different ways. It all depends on what source you're reading. I've seen it 205 horsepower and 210 horsepower, but for the sake of what we're doing, we're just gonna say 210 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque. That's with a 5-speed. If you went to the dealership and got an automatic 5-liter with the central fuel injection or CFI, it had an anemic 165 horsepower and 245 pound-feet. So in 1985, you go to the dealership, you wanted the car with all the horsepowers, you were definitely opting for the 5-speed car. Now for what it's worth, our black 85 GT here has 173,000 miles. That's all we know about it. Now granted, the engine could have been swapped out, it could have a different engine, but for what we know, that's still the stock engine, 302. 173,000 miles. We verified timing. It is at 15 degrees, and we do have 93 octane fuel in the tank. As far as your wheel and tire, that's a set of our 5.0 Resto 10-hole wheels with factory correct and period correct Goodyear Gator back with the 225/60/15. So now we got all that good stuff out of the way. We're gonna make a quick trip around the car, make sure our straps are tight, our lug nuts are torqued. We're gonna make it hit. All right, people, let's check out some numbers for our black 85 GT. It's making some pretty good power. 185 horsepower at 4,500 RPM and 248.7, which we can go ahead and round that up and call that 249 pound-feet of torque at 3,500 RPM. Now throughout our RPM range, which we did a 1,500 RPM to about 5,700 RPM pull, our average horsepower was 156.8 and average torque was 201.4. Yes, that does have the aftermarket off-road mid-pipe and the better flowing catback exhaust, so that's definitely helping our overall rear wheel horsepower and rear wheel torque numbers. Say that 5 times fast. So the car's making great power. This one, no doubt about it, it's fun to drive on the street, and it's definitely one of our favorite cars here in the shop. So if you guys appreciate the dyno videos, like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more dyno videos, and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. Until we catch you in the next one, for all things Fox Body, you know what to do. Keep right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.